Hi guys, and welcome to your YouTube channel Finance for Beginners. So today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can verify your account on Etoro. To start investing on Etoro, the first step is to verify your account, so it is really important. So now to verify your account, you just have to log in into your account on Etoro, and you can see that there is an option right here on the screen where it says verify account. If you just click on this, it will take you to a different kind of screen where now you are needed to input all of your personal details and other information as well, like your home address and your name, your gender, and many more things in order to log in and verify account. Here, just input all of your details correctly, and if you input all of your details correctly, you'll be able to verify your account. And that is just a easy step process on how you can verify your account. Right now it is not letting me verify my account as it says in my country Etoro is not available right now. But if it is different in your case, just input all of your information correctly and you'll be able to verify your account. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.